All right, Eric from creditwit.com, powered by Better Qualified. Hope you like my jacket. Question from last night. Person went through bankruptcy, wanted to know the easiest way to now build their credit, what they should do after bankruptcy. So real quick, easiest way to start is now that your bankruptcy is complete, right? You're gonna have to get a secured credit card. Number one, that's the easiest way. Secured credit card, you're gonna be able to put a deposit of $200, $300 around that range and be able to use the card. Don't use the card past 10, 20%, somewhere in that range, and pay it off as soon as you get the bill. You want to show that you can manage that debt. It's going to take you about 3-4 months for that to actually start to build it. Another one is authorized user. So if you have a family member or somebody else that is very friendly with you, just ask that person to add you as an authorized user to one of their accounts, right? And here we go, one of their credit cards that has the highest balance or available balance, right? And non-usage, or a little bit but no balance, and been around the longest. So if it's a card that they've had for 15 years, let them add you as an authorized user. They don't need to give you a card. That's a big one. Thirdly, cosigner. So have somebody get a loan, get a car, which again, we've gone through the different types of credit, revolving versus what? Installment. Get a car, get something with sizable, leverage, maybe some furniture they can co-sign for you. But again, what's going to happen now that they co-sign is going to show up, you're going to get the credit after some time. That's going to build for you. Those three are the best and easiest ways to do it. Above and beyond that, you don't want to get stuck in doing some things I've read about online, adding this and adding that, so getting some other authorized users. Keep it all square. You can build it. It doesn't take that long. 3 or 4 months, you'll be all right. Talk to you soon.